Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about the multi-reading question number 3. Let's see the first question. Write a program to create a thread and display the input string in reverse order 10 times for every 1 second. Create the thread by extending the thread class and implementing runnable interface. Let's see the code. And class multi-thread to extends thread implements runnable threaded tree string 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 my thread 2 string is equals to x t is equals to new thread this t dot start int I is equals to 1 public void run while I less than 10 string buffer a is equals to none new string buffer string system dot print ln a dot reverse try thread slot sleep catch interrupted expression e dot print stack trace I plus plus public class experiment 9 question 3 public stack void main string args system dot print ln my thread 2 thread 1 is equal to new my thread hello world thread 1 dot start and let's run the program. And we see hello world it's reverse in 10 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 and let's see the demo question. Write a program called reverse hello.java that creates a thread. Let's call it thread and thread I creates another thread 2 creates thread 3 and so on up to thread 50. Each thread should print hello from thread num greater than num less than exclamatory, but you should structure your program such that the thread prints their greetings in reverse order. Let's see the code. Class recursive thread extend thread static int num is equals to 51. Print public void run while num greater than 1. Num thread t is equals to num recursive thread t dot start system dot print ln hello from plus num thread thread dot sleep 5000 catch interrupted expression e dot print stack trace public class experiment 9 demo public class static void main string args system dot print ampersand and recursive thread 1 is equals to new recursive thread 1 dot start and let's see the output and let's run the program. And let's run the program and we see hello from 49 48 49 and up to 1 and let's see the question. Write a Java program to create multiple threads from different calculator operations. Get the required input from the user and after that run two threads to perform the following operations. Simple calculator and scientific calculator. Let's see the program. Input Java is scanner class simple calculator extend thread float I comma j simple calculator float x comma y I is equals to x j is equals to y and public void run system dot print ln sum plus I plus j system dot print ln difference plus I minus j system dot print ln product plus I star j system dot print ln division plus I divided by j System.out.println modulus plus I modulus j. System.out.println power plus mat dot power I comma j. System.out.println and class scientific calculator extend threads. Public void run scanner s is equals to and scanner s is equals to new scanner system.print in system.out.println enter the values of trigonometric operation system and t is equals to s dot next in system.out.println enter the value of square root operations int m is equals to s dot next int system.out.println enter the value for cube root operations int j is equals to s dot next int system.out.println trigonometric operations double I is equals to mat dot Toldien's a system.out.println sin of plus I plus mat dot sin I system.out.println cosine of plus I plus mat dot cos I system.out.println tan of plus I plus mat tan I system.out.println square root of plus m plus mat dot square root m system.out.println cube root of plus j plus mat dot cube root I and public static void main string args system.out.println scanner s is equals to new scanner s system.out.println enter two values for arithmetic operations float x is equals to s dot next float y is equals to s dot next float simple calculator object 1 is equals to new simple calculator x comma y scientific calculator object 2 is equals to new scientific calculator system.out.println system.out.println thread a simple calculator object 1 dot start try object 1 dot join catch interruption x dot stack system.out.println thread b scientific calculator object dot start and let's run the program and enter the two values of arithmetic operations and 13 2 thread a simple calculator sum 15 difference 11 product 26 division 6.5 modulus 1 and power 169 thread b scientific calculator enter the values of trigonometric operations and enter the value of trigonometric operations 1 enter the value of square root of operations 2 and enter the value of cube root operations 3 and sine of 0.201 and cosine 0.017 tan of 0.0174 and square root of 2 cube root of 3.314 and thank you guys by watching my video.